Hello, this is the spelling test for list number 1 for April 19th, 2018. First, make sure you have selected your name in the list first. After you hear the word, you can pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1, pie, pie. My grandmother made an apple pie. Number 2, by, by. The dog is by the tree. Number 3, find, find. I will find my hat. Number 4, just, just. She just loves peanut butter. Number 5, were, were. We were at the park. Number 6, high, high. I can swing very high. Number 7, flew, flew. The butterfly flew into the sky. Number 8, know, know. Do you know him? Number 9, fancy, fancy. My sister wore a fancy dress. Number 10, night, night. We can see the stars at night. Those are the words for this week. Great job, everybody.